the fourth or fifth dress that I made out of satin. As you can see, the dimensions all fit, even her large breast. Instead of Velcro, I stitched a zipper in the back. Don't mind the zipper stitching, I wanted to test out which stitch would be best. I'm just going to tuck this in here. But this is a double circle skirt, which means it's two full circle skirts put together to make this one giant dress bottom. Beautiful. Here you go.